How to fix this app has been blocked for your protection. In this video I will show you one method, hope it will fix your problem. First open Start and type Registry Editor. Right click and select Run as Administration. Expand HKey Local Machine. Expand Software. Expand Microsoft. Expand Windows. Expand Current Version. Expand Policies. Click on System. Double-click on Enable LUA. Change the value to 0 and press OK. Now restart and your problem should be fixed. Hope your problem should be fixed. Thanks for watching.